Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Back in the old days, every Hakka family would make rice wine before the new year. You must be very careful making the wine because if you fail, you risk bad luck. First up, you need to cook the rice. After the rice is readied, a bowl is offered to the kitchen god. Finally, when eating the rice left over from the brewing process, you must not use chopsticks, but instead use a spoon to symbolize there'll be lots of wine.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka once again right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好, I am Joseph Ling, and every time we have Leo in the studio, he's going to tell us more about the Hakka culture, and especially related to this month because it's the first lunar month.
冇問題啊。過年的時候，我們一定是吃大魚大肉嘛。
哎，沒錯。
那在吃這些東西的時候，一定要配個飲料。
酒，對不對？
對呀。
Yes, let's talk about wine. We always talk about the food related to the Hakka.
以前的客家人大部分都是喝米酒。
米酒，對不對？
對，米酒。
Oh, that's rice wine, 米酒, okay? That is one a very traditional rice wine that they drink. And
那個米飯給飯然後也蒸熟來之後呢，就可以開始釀酒。
Oh, okay. So they actually brew their own rice wine at home.
這個釀酒的過程一定要很小心哦，因為就是其實代表着一個儀式啦，就是釀酒成功，未來的運勢就是運勢會當後，就是運氣會很好。但是如果釀失敗的話，就代表你未來一年會很衰，會很倒霉。
衰，很衰是不是？
對，就是倒霉的意思。
Okay, I see. So this whole brewing process is very stressful actually because it really determines your blessings and your luck for the coming year. If you fail at brewing a pot of wine, that means you're not going to have good luck next year. But if you succeed at it, then you're going to have a prosperous year.
而且这个酿酒的过程其实因为主要在那个酿酒的酒缸上面要放一把菜刀。你知道有什么用意吗？
不知道为什么会有菜刀呢？
就是主要放一把菜刀在缸上面，大家就会比较注意到，就不能随便开盖子，因为常常开盖子酒就会失敗。
Okay.
就会周壞。
Oh, interesting. So if you go to a Hakka family and you see a culinary knife that is on top of the barrel, do not touch it because it's their way of saying this is very important. We're brewing this wine right now. It's going to determine our luck for the next year. So pay respect to it. And it's also a respect to the god, I think.
只要是家里有做的任何東西，都一定是要供給灶神啊，或是家里的供奉的阿公婆這樣子。
Don't drink and drive though, okay? Let me just remind you on that again. So there you have it. That's today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.